Fusium's pleased to demonstrate its Data Science and Analytics Programs in Canada report, built with Microsoft Power BI. It's framed with a key question, a basic explanation is offered, along with some tips on how best to use the interactive report. The data sources and its approach to compiling data is outlined. Basic stats give an overview of the programs available in Canada. Those programs are mapped to the provinces and to levels of programs from certificates to master's degrees. Locations such as cities are identified where the programs are offered, and another view of the provincial tabulation. Click on a province such as Alberta. The interactive report adjusts accordingly, showing the profile, the cities, the word cloud showing themes of the key phrases in the titles of the programs, and then the list of programs. By comparison, the province of Ontario can be shown to have a different profile with about 10 more programs, a number of master's degrees, variety of cities, the word cloud changes for the themes, and again we see the list of programs available. Click on white space on a chart to reload all data. This time we'll hold the control key down and link data from different charts on the report. So pick a province again. Start with Alberta. Control key down and click on Calgary. We see the portion of programs in Calgary versus Alberta. Use focus mode to see the list of programs available in Alberta. And return. Let's do that again and identify a specific program. Perhaps we'd like to see what's involved with a certificate in Data Science and Analytics in Calgary. So holding a control key down, we find our way to the list of programs, find a certificate, click on it. Each of the programs comes with a URL icon. Click on that, it'll load the web page for that site. You can see the details which you can explore. Return back to the interactive report. Click on white space to reload all the data. Go to full screen, and there you have it, how to use the report.